Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to your robotics class. Today we learn how to make circuit diagrams with the use of Tinkercad and how to use the Tinkercad. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. And today we do a new project on the Tinkercad. The project name is Automatic Traffic Light. I know you did the project in the classroom, but as compared to classroom, it's very easy and not very complex. Okay, so you have to do the project on Tinkercad for you because it's very easy as compared to classroom. Fine. So first we need a breadboard. This place it vertical. Second thing, we need an Arduino board. Place it also vertical. Third thing, three LEDs, and fourth thing, three resistors. Just place it according to breadboard. And also resistor. Change the position of the resistor also. Fine. First, I will teach you how to connect the LED with resistor. First, we do the connection of only one LED. Then, as like the first LED, you do the same connection for second and third LED. Just color the change of second LED and third LED because traffic light consists red, yellow, green LEDs. So just look at the video and see how first LED connection we make. And same thing we need to do with LED 2 and LED 3, right? So first check the. Take a black wire. No need of first connect with cathode to negative point. Then now change the wire. Connect anode to terminal 2 of resistor. Just place the resistor where the wire connect. Now it's connect. Look at the board. Now it's connect on same line. Fine. Same with LED 2 and LED 3. Do it now. Do it with 2 with my. Sorry. Do along with me, please. You have no any confusion if you do it with me. With terminal 2, place the resistor. Fine. And with this LED, cathode to negative. Change the color of the wire and terminal 2. Now it's fine. Okay. Now just take the wire and connect with Arduino. Breadboard connection is done. Now we have to make the connections with Arduino. Okay. First, go to pin number 4. Connect with resistor terminal 1. Go to pin number 4 and resistor terminal 1. Here is the terminal, so we connect on the same line, right? Connect. Next thing. Go to pin number 3 and connect with yellow LED terminal 1 of resistor. I hope it's clear to you. Same with LED 3. Let's do it. I hope it's no confusion. Connect with number 2. Fine. Very good. Now connect with ground to negative energy. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. Just look at the circuit. You have no any mistakes. Okay. So before start simulation, we have to write the code because when we use the Arduino, we need a code. Just go to blocks, text, continue. Okay, fine. This is C++ code as you know. Okay. We have to just change in this code, not write again. Pin number 4 is output. Pin number 4 connect with red LED, right? Just copy and paste and change the pin number 3, 2. 3 connect with yellow LED and 2 connect with green LED, right? Now come in the void loop, digital write 4 high, delay 3000, digital write 4 low. Okay. Digital write 4 high means LED will glow. And digital write 4 low means LED off. Okay. So now just copy and paste. Digital write 3 high. Delay 1000. Digital write 3 low. And just erase the digital here. Sorry, delay. Fine. And in third, digital write 2 high, delay LED, digital write to low, and just erase the last delay. I hope it's clear to you everyone. Now what the code says, void setup, it's the empty void, right? Empty column, empty setup. Just pin number 4 connect with red LED. This is the output. Pin number 3 is also output. Pin number 2 is output. Okay. And all LEDs are output. Okay. So in void loop, 4 digital write 4 high. When the Arduino code read the 4 pin number, it glows for 3000 milliseconds. And after 3000 milliseconds, it becomes off. Okay, then yellow, then green. Fine. It's a real life LED. So start simulation, initializing. What happened? We need any battery? No. What the hell? Oh, sorry. Here is a mistake. Here is a mistake. Just take this black wire, connect with negative. Sorry, here is a mistake. I just connect with positive line. Sorry, I so sorry. Just connect with negative line. Yeah. Now start simulation. Now it's clear. Red, yellow, green. Now it's clear to you. Okay, fine. I hope there is no mistake any. Red, yellow, green. Good. Red, yellow, green. Now it's work. Now it's work properly. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you everyone. If you have any doubt, please come in the class. We will solve it together. Thank you.